Good morning, ma'am. My name is Simon Pakpahan, and my name friend is Calvin PANGGABEAN. We want dialogue of the product. Please welcome our dialogue. Hello, sir. Welcome to our store.
Thank you.
How can I help you, sir?
Actually, I am planning to buy an conditioner. So could you please help me with that?
All right, sir. Could you please specify me the brand so that I can be more transparent with the details?
I am using Daikin as a this day, but I am not satisfied satisfied with the service.
You should try the SAP air conditioner. It's already in high demand.
What kind of service this it offer?
In SAP air conditioner, you will get a 2-year warranty. It also has 5 free service. The install is free. The maintenance is also taken care by the company.
That's perfect.
Sir, where do you want to install the air conditioner?
In the room,
All right. Could you please tell me the
could you please tell me the price of this is air conditioner and the climate method?
It will cost you around $150,000, including the sales tax, and you can pay either by a card or C. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.